Let me tell you a story on how powerful is networking in the USMLE journey. This is a story of one of our students whom I had helped with the clinical rotations. While he was in the United States for his clinical rotation, he impressed his attending doctor who really liked his work and gave him an opportunity to work for a research project for a clinical trial happening at Philadelphia. His work for those clinical trial project for about 6 months was really appreciated, and the project was coordinated by a very big polyclinic based out of New York. And many attending and program directors of nearby hospitals were attached to this polyclinic. And because of the work done by the student at that clinical trial project, one of the program directors saw him and was impressed and recommended him to his friend's program in New Jersey, and finally that student got an interview and got matched in the same program. So as you see, rotations led to research, research led to an interview, and finally the student got matched. This is the power of networking in the USMLE journey. I wish you all the very best for your own journey, and for any such information or more engaging content, reach out to us on MOKSH Academy.